Hello everybody, we're glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can clip on Twitch. So first of all, open up the stream that you would like to create a clip of. I'll go with this one, let's say. Then tap on this little icon over here, in between share and settings of the stream. That's the create clip icon. So already whatever, and this with this streamer I'm not able to create any clips. So let's choose another one. Let's see this one. Already, here it is. So basically the clip has been created. In here you can edit it if you want to, add a custom title to it, or trim the clip if you want to make it shorter, or caption some particular moment out of it. So wait until the video gets processed. Then we'll tap on this publish button once it becomes active. So let's wait a little bit. Just a moment. Here it is. Just tap on the publish button. That means that your clip is now available to public. Now you can share it through whatever service your smartphone supports, or you can simply copy the link to it and send it to your friends through Messenger or Instagram or whatever. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.